Well, I'm out here with Kevin Clinic of the Kennebecasis Valley Fire Department, and we just witnessed an evacuation here. Just tell me what happened as firefighters went into the house initially.
Well, we went in the house initially. We thought there might have been just the one lady. It turned out to be her husband, the woman that's wheelchair bound, and their dog. They've decided to self-evacuate from their home. We've assisted them with that, and while we've been here, we've also some other residents have decided that they want to evacuate as well. So we're going to assist with that while we're here. And we also have notification that just came to us as well that there's an elderly couple here that usually have housekeepers come in to assist with cooking and food supplies, and that hasn't happened in the last few days, so we're going to go do a welfare check on those folks as well.
Well, there you go. The flood story continues here in New Brunswick. We'll continue to keep you updated on the Weather Network. For the Weather Network, I'm Nathan Coleman.